Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have an Easter basket Dollar Tree DIY. The theme for this one is going to be dinosaurs, and it's going to be for a boy. What I want to do is make my own basket using supplies from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with one of their bamboo rings and some burlap here for the bottom. So what I did is I just cut some Dollar Tree burlap out bigger than the ring so I can have it go up the sides like this. This is going to provide me a little bit of structure towards the bottom of the basket, and it's going to be a nice covering down here too, which is going to kind of go with my theme, which is ropes, jungle kind of look, so I can fill this with dinosaurs. So once I get that all on there, I just glued it to the sides of the bamboo ring. I'm going to take Dollar Tree brown rope, and I'm going to start right here on the bottom with that bamboo ring. And these bamboo rings come in a 2-pack. This is like the larger one, and I just hot glued it on. Now what I'm doing is just hot gluing it to itself. I just work one section at a time until my rope runs out. It's okay because you can just start a new piece of rope. The brown rope blends pretty well when you start and stop. You can add a little hot glue there and mold it. And basically I just want this to be a straight basket up so we can fill this with lots of goodies. It's not one of the bigger baskets that I've made. It's probably a smaller basket for like a little boy or a little girl size. And I am going to start my third package of rope and continue going up. You could do this really with any of the brown rope packages from the Dollar Tree. You're going to get kind of the same look. They have different widths and lengths. And once I get here, I think that is pretty deep. I think that's deep enough. It does slightly go up a little bit to keep the things in on the side. I just burn off all of the fuzzies there with my lighter, and we can start working on a handle. For that, I'm using some of this wired garland from the Dollar Tree. It has these great green leaves on there. I think that's going to be great for a jungly pattern. I just fold it in half. That way it will be thicker and stronger wire and have twice as many leaves, and add that to our basket. I attach it with hot glue there with the little vines on each side. And the great thing about that is that it's wired, and now we have a handle for our DIY Easter basket. Let's fill it up with some fun dinosaur finds that I found from the Dollar Tree. First, I add some green grass, paper shreds, and then I found like dinosaur train activities. I found so many fun little dinosaurs. I found a crafting dinosaur, which was wood, like a little stegosaurus, I guess. Some plastic dinosaur toys from the Dollar Tree, like some of the realistic ones. I even found these Easter eggs that have candy in them that have dinosaurs on them. They're like stretchy, so you can pull them and pop the egg out one of their spots. I found 2 of those. I think those are really cute. So I'm going to pop those in there and then add some more items. Candy, of course. I did some green bubbles and a little Easter candy, Peeps lollipops. We'll do some Easter eggs here in green. I was trying to stick with kind of a green vibe with this because it is a jungle basket. This is how it turned out. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.